Hello everyone, Ryan Ponce with Compass, and today I'm going to talk about my April market update for downtown San Diego. We're going to look at the sales in March and kind of give us an indication of where we're at in April of 2022. The market is moving incredibly fast. If you want more information, I have a link below to the Q1 market update as well. It has a little bit different information, but I'm going to dive into April's market update. March of 2022, downtown San Diego set 3 different records. The highest average sales price in downtown San Diego ever, the highest average price per square foot in downtown San Diego ever, and the highest average list to sales price percentage in downtown San Diego. Those are 3 huge records to break. So I'm going to dive into those numbers and what that looks like. So the highest average sales price, first off, let's start off with saying where we were in March of 2021. March 2021, the average sales price in downtown San Diego was $627,000. This last March, the average sales price was $937,000. That's an increase of about 49%. That's a huge jump. I am not saying, I want to clarify this, I am not saying that if you own a condo in downtown San Diego, your value shot up 49%. There's a mixture of things that happened. Yes, prices have gone up, and my best guess would be probably about 25 to 28% in downtown San Diego. I know that sounds like a huge number, but prices are really being aggressively pushed up right now. And I've seen some crazy sales in downtown San Diego, things that I didn't think could sell for those prices, and they've sold. So, yes, prices have shot up, but there's more activity in the higher price points too. So that's really what's throwing off that average sales price. There's quite a bit more sales happening above 1.5 million than we saw previously. So as more of those sales happen, it pulls up the average sales price. And I think that's a lot of what's going on right now. But 49% average sales price increase in 1 year. That's crazy. The next thing, the average price per square foot jumped up to $800 a square foot. And on top of that, the median sales price per square foot was also at $800,000, which tells you that the price per square foot really is getting pushed up drastically. So it's about a 34% increase from a year prior. So March 2021, the average price per square foot was $597, and this last month we saw it at $800. So 34% increase, still a substantial jump. The other thing too, and this is an important one, the average list to sales price ratio, that shot up to 104.8%. That means that on average, people are getting 4.8% over their list price when they're putting their property on the market. Downtown San Diego never saw over 100% average list to sales price until November of 2021. So up until November 2021, we never saw that number go over 100% in downtown San Diego. And now we're at 104.8%. It's because of the lack of inventory. People are having to compete and they're bidding up the price. And we didn't see that in downtown until, like I said, November. So it's a really substantial number. That number is up from 98.6% in March of 2021. So it's up 6.2% since March of 2021. It's a substantial increase, and it just shows you how competitive it is. It's not the downtown San Diego market that we're used to, because before the market just moved slower than the suburbs. You would list property, and on average it would take 30 to 45 days to sell, and if it was priced right and showed well and everything. And now things are getting multiple offers, and they're going for a lot more than what we would even think possible. So it's a great time to be a seller right now in downtown San Diego. Not so much a buyer. It is really frustrating being a buyer, and that's in any area in San Diego County right now. So you do have to have a lot of patience and a good agent on your side, but it is very frustrating being a buyer right now and not having much inventory to choose from. But as a seller, you hold all the cards right now. Will interest rates change that? I don't know. We haven't seen it slow down yet. Things are still selling with multiple offers. So it'll be interesting to see what happens over the next couple of months. But as of now, it has not stopped demand yet. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I specialize in downtown San Diego. My information is at the end of this video. It's also at the bottom of this blog if you're seeing it on our website. If you're seeing it on YouTube, if you look in the description, I do have a link to the blog with all of the information. I break down the downtown San Diego market by price ranges, or by price ranges in my quarterly update, but I break it down in this update by different categories, and you can see charts and everything. All right, anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call, 619-228-6790. Thanks, bye.